Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. RAND function is used to generate a random number that is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. The RAND function returns a new random number each time your spreadsheet recalculates. In this short video section, we will learn how to generate a random number between 0 and 1. You can also recalculate spreadsheet manually to generate a new random number. You can notice each time spreadsheet is recalculated, this function generating a new random number. You can also generate a set of random numbers in multiple cells. To do so, select the cells. Enter the function in formula bar. And press Ctrl+Enter. If you want to get a random number that doesn't change when the worksheet is calculated, to do so, enter the function in the formulas bar. And then press F9 key before hitting enter to convert the formula into its result. Let's take another example to understand in a better way. This time, we would like to generate random number between two values. Hopefully, now you have a good understanding on how to use RAND function. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.